Error code 1 is a common error code that can appear on air conditioners of all makes and models. The one error code in the air conditioner can have different meanings, which depend on the manufacturer of the equipment. However, for most manufacturers, error 1 in air conditioning indicates a problem with communication between the indoor, evaporator and outdoor condenser units. However, in some brands, error 1 can be a protection that activates the device, so that an existing fault is solved. For example, it could be dirty filters, lack of gas, condensate drainage problems, or the fan not starting, a problem with the supply voltage. So it is a code that can share several meanings. You can follow the general recommendations below to fix a failure related to error 1. 1. Check the air filter. The most common cause of error code 1 is a dirty air filter. If the air filter is dirty, it can restrict airflow and prevent the air conditioner from working properly. To check the air filter, remove it from the air conditioner and inspect it for dirt, dust, or debris. If the air filter is dirty, clean it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Wait a few minutes. Plug the device back in, and turn it on to verify that the error has disappeared from the screen. 2. Check the wiring. Loose or damaged wiring can also cause error code 1. To check the wiring, carefully inspect all the wiring connections between the indoor and outdoor units of the air conditioner. Make sure all connections are tight and secure. If you find any loose or damaged wiring, repair or replace it as necessary. 3. Check the electronic control card. The card is the electronic brain of the air conditioner. If the control board is faulty, it can cause a number of problems, including the code 1 error. To check the control board, you will need to use a multimeter to test the components on the board. 4. Check the capacitors of the electronic card. Let's remember that these store energy and help regulate the power supply in an air conditioner. If they are defective, they may cause a communication error. 5. In some cases, error code 1 can be caused by a software bug. To perform a factory reset, you will need to refer to your owner's manual and get instructions. In some equipment, when the air conditioner shows one code on the display panel and the air conditioner does not turn on, then it means that the thermistor in the room is short or faulty. Disconnect the ambient sensor, look at its electrical resistance with a multimeter, use the kilometer scale. The thermistor must mark an electrical resistance value, according to its characteristics and never infinite or zero resistance. In air conditioners with 3-phase power, when the phases of the power supply are not connected in the correct sequence, the equipment may display the error code 1.